dear students. Our next topic is the PMD or the polarization mode dispersion. The polarization refers to the electric field orientation of light signal, that is, which can vary significantly along the fiber. In this figure, you can see that the fast mode and the slow mode, when it is traveled through a long distances, there is some irregularity, that is, some electric field orientation of light signal which can vary significantly. That is simply is termed as a polarization mode dispersion. And the PMD is similar to the wave dispersion. That is, the PMD leads to pulse broadening to the slightly different propagation velocities of the two modes. And the source of pulse broadening is the fiber birefringence in the polarization states of an optical signal. That is, the polarization state means electric and magnetic field. In this, birefringence means it is arise due to structural ordering, physical stress, deformation, and flow through a restricted conduit on strain. These are the main cause of this fiber birefringence. And birefringence can result from intrinsic factors. That is, I already told you that geometric irregularities of fiber core or internal stress. That is, the physical stress, deformation. Other causes of birefringence are the bending, twisting, or the pinching of the fiber. And a varying birefringence along its length will cause each polarization mode, that is the fast mode and the slow mode, travel a slightly different velocity at the polarization orientation will rotate with the. You can see that the fast mode and the slow mode, it is in the different velocity. And the polarization state is a fundamental property of an optical signal. That is, the polarization refers to electric field orientation of the light signal. And this polarization state varies with the distance traveled by the light through the fiber, and the fiber is birefringent. So this is called the polarization mode dispersion, and it's mainly due to the electric field orientation of the light signal which can vary significantly along the length of the fiber. Also, another important term is the fiber birefringence. The fiber birefringence is mainly due to the deformities in the fiber, the geometric irregularities, fiber core of the internal stress. Also, it causes bending, twisting, or pinching of the fiber. Hence, the fast mode and the slow mode, when travel through a long distance, it will travel with a slightly different velocity. That is all about the PMD.